Hi everybody, it's Irene with Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we are gonna make a fantastic summer bacon caprese salad. It's got mozzarella cheese, bacon, tomatoes fresh from the garden, fresh basil from my garden, and a balsamic honey glaze, and also drizzled with olive oil and a dash of fresh cracked black pepper and a pinch of salt. So refreshing. It's a great summer salad. So easy to make too. So stay tuned. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make your balsamic glaze. You're going to take half a cup of balsamic vinegar and then add a quarter cup of honey. And you're going to bring that to a boil and you're going to let that reduce. And you just want to keep stirring this constantly. And once it has reduced down, then you will set it aside and let it cool. And while your balsamic glaze is reducing, you can start frying your bacon. You're going to crumble the bacon onto your mozzarella and tomatoes for your caprese salad. While your balsamic glaze is reducing and your bacon is frying, you can start cutting your tomatoes and slicing your mozzarella. I've got nice homegrown tomatoes from a friend's garden. So thank you, Randy Hyde, for these tomatoes. Appreciate it. And then you're going to want to slice your mozzarella. This is a great summer salad. So delicious and so easy to make too. And just keep slicing till you get it all cut up. Look how nice and thick this has become. Then you're gonna just want to kind of make little pieces, crumble off your bacon, and you can make them as small or as large as you like. I wouldn't do them too big because we just want to add that extra bacon flavor onto our salad. So just get it all crumbled up. And now you want to arrange your cheese and your tomatoes on your platter. Then you're gonna dress it up with some of your basil leaves. And these are fresh from our garden. I actually have a garden on my back deck because the deer are really bad here and they eat everything. So the only way I can protect my stuff is by putting it up on the deck. Then you put some of your crumbled bacon on here. And then you're going to want to drizzle on that balsamic glaze, which has got the honey in it. And finish it off with some fresh cracked black pepper and just a pinch of salt. Okay, and then you're even going to want to drizzle it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil for finishing touch. And there you have it, your bacon caprese salad. Bon appetit. Okay, let's dig in and try this salad. Try to get a little bit of everything on there if I can. Yum. So the salad is just so fresh. The tomato is delicious. It's juicy, it's sweet. I love basil, and the basil is just tangy and fragrant. What I love about basil is you can smell it as you're eating it, and it's just so delicious. The balsamic honey glaze, oh, it's got like the sweetness from the honey in it, yet it's got this rich flavor to it that really offsets the sweetness. Oh, really good, you guys. So definitely try this recipe soon. You guys know what to do. Be sure to like that video, smash that subscribe button, and comment below. It would really help me out. If you like my videos, please leave a comment. Thanks so much and see you next week.